Okay, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's art. No, just kidding. The Opel's becoming nature. No. We were just driving it to see if the electric choke worked because we made some custom wiring with the windshield wiper, that green wire for the windshield wipers. So we attached this wire, ran it along here to the choke, and it's actually working. So that's awesome. And then, so that's fun. Anyways, I just drove behind the barn here in the grass, and yeah, we kind of have a, yeah, it's just lightly on there. So that's fun. Anyways, let's see here. What else have we done to this thing today? Have we done anything to this thing today, Grandpa, besides the choke? Yeah, we mostly just got the choke working. I attached this back on there that I found in my Opel pile. And then, yeah, we haven't really done anything else to it. Tomorrow is the Zanesville Car Show, which I'm going to show you guys some footage of that. And then, I haven't really done anything else here. We still have the bungee cord holding up the battery. Our brakes are working good. I mean, everything else is good. It looks really pretty with the hood on it. And, I don't know, I guess I'll just show you guys what we do next at the car show. And, yeah. Alright, guys, we're at the Zanesville Car Show in Zanesville, Indiana by Austin, Indiana. And, there we go, now the music died down. But, I brought you guys along, so we brought it here. We got the hubcaps looking really nice and everything. Super shiny. Everything's really nice. Cleaned up the interior just a little bit, but looking really sharp. Right, everything's looking good. Everything's looking pretty good. I brought my book from 4-H. My restoration progress, what I've all done to it. So new brakes are doing good. It was running kind of rough though when we first showed up here, so that was kind of odd. But yeah, other than that, I ran pretty good coming here. Started right up. Everybody likes it. Everybody actually have a lead maybe on 2 GTs in Michigan. So I'm gonna have to call this guy, and it's like 72 miles from our house. So there goes the kiddie ride. But so yeah, so I might have a lead on these 2 Opel GTs in the field of like 60 or 70 cars. Oh, there's a nice Camaro. Yeah, there's 60 or 70 cars at this guy's house. So it's crazy. Yeah, I'll get out of here. Yeah, it's a whole pile of cars, so that's gonna be pretty crazy. And yeah, so it's all running good. Got the 1933 American Austin Suburban. That's my grandpa's car. These are all my grandpa's cars over here. It was a hot rod. I'll have to do a video on this. Let me guys know if you guys want a video on this car. But it's totally restored. And then my grandpa's 1970 Triumph Sport with only 26,000 original miles. All restored, 26,000 miles. And then my grandpa's 1966 MG Midget, that he restored too, has a fiberglass front end on it, off of a Spitfire. So, these are his cars, and I guess I'll show you guys